Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have here something that we're going to unbox. It is a Beatrix slider from Layer Cake. I got it from the Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, so let's unbox it. Not much else to say about it. It is, whoa. It is a titanium Beatrix slider from Layer Cake. You know, cake is one of those words that sounds like the thing, the item, cake. Cake sounds like cake. Sounds cakey. This is so much tape. And then there's like a glue. Haha. I have defeated the box. Okay, now it's time for the scissors. Ha. Okay. Layer Cake Designs. Beatrix 5/21/22 titanium. Thanks. Ew, this is like a really glossy feeling card. Ugh. And they sent some candy with it. That's so nice. Thank you. And now we will look at the slider. The titanium Beatrix slider. It looks nice. Plates are in pretty good condition. It just looks nice in general. See how it slides. I don't understand the holes, because I mean, if you put something there, then, well, I mean, I guess you can do that. No. I don't know. This is nice. It's not loud, which is I am going to put some tape on it, I think, and maybe that will make it slide better. But this is pretty nice. It doesn't really snap downward. Maybe the magnets aren't that strong. There we go. Maybe I just suck. There we go. I need to do the whoop. Oh, fuck. I love the colors. The colors on this thing. Catch it if it falls. I like that it's not. I like that it's not too loud. Where's my... See how much it weighs. Bloop. 50.28. Bloop. So it is pretty light. It's just so pretty. Watcha. 44 even. Watcha. 26. Oh. 11.6. So 44 by 26. Oh. Well, you know I gotta drop it. Next to a pen. Put this like on a necklace. I just held it up to my neck, but you can't see my neck, so that was pointless. Ah, I did it again. So I would put this on a string so I wouldn't lose it, so the pieces wouldn't go flying off. So yeah, this is the this is the unboxing of the Beatrix by Layer Cake, and it's nice. I'm happy I got it. I recommend I mean, I recommend Beatrix. I did it. It swung. Yeah. So earlier I just, oh fuck. Earlier I just couldn't do it because I sucked. Alright. Ha! Alright, now I'm gonna go put tape on it. It's gonna be this tape, which is on the Play for Beans website. Play for Beans website. It's really good. It's from Mark Chang. He makes this tape. It's like excellent tape. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now, which is not gonna be on the video because it takes forever. It takes a while. And I don't want to waste your time. Okay. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please like. I'm gonna be a cat. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Or night. Or whatever. Have a great time. And I'll see you in the next video as I bat this around. Yeah. Have a fantastic day. Great one. Watch the next video. If it's out. Alright, for real. Bye, guys.